In this video tutorial I will show you how to see who blocked you on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. I have 2 Instagram profiles, so I'm going to block the other account. I'm going to search for my second Instagram account and block this profile. Next, I will switch to the account that I have blocked. Then I will search for my first profile. When you see that the profile looks like this, that means that the person has been blocked you. It says there are no posts, but you can see here that this profile has posts. In some cases you can't even search for the account that has blocked you. So that is the only way you can see if someone has blocked you.